Good morning and welcome to this pass module user manual for employee, pass clerk and PIA. So in this division it is seen that most of the manual pass entry is still pending and lying with the pass clerk, and family declaration submission is also pending with the employees. So you are requested as far as possible, as soon as possible, you need to update this pass legacy data, declaration of manual pass and family pass. It's very simple. Go to HRMS web application URL and log in using HRMS ID and password. Enter OTP received on registered mobile number for employee. Declaration of manual pass and pass family. Contact your pass clerk for entry of manual passes. One entered by pass clerk, click on pass set list menu. Here is the screen. The list of passes are shown over here. Privilege passes, PTO, pass year, full set and half set. Push on the remarks and just make it confirm. Click on confirm button. If it is entered, information is correct. If there is some discrepancy, click on the return to clerk button to return it for modification to pass clerk. Once confirmed, now family declaration need to be completed. Click on pass set list menu. A pop-up will appear to prompt user to complete family declaration. Here is the screen of the family declaration. The name is showing Sharoda Nimesh and Himangshi Nimesh. Just check the relation, date of birth, age for pass. Select the members for pass family declaration and click on submit button. This declaration will now be forwarded to pass clerk for further action. Once accepted by pass clerk, employee can now apply for e-pass. E-pass application. Click on pass set list menu. Select pass type, privilege pass, then click on go button. The entitled and available full or half set pass sets will be shown. Here is the screen. Click on available full set count. You will be redirected to pass application page. If there are any previous existing application for this year, then they will be appear in the list. They can be edited by clicking on edit icon shown beside the application. To create a fresh application, click on new application button. The status: D for draft, S for submitted for approval, A for pass application approved by pass clerk, or for pass application rejected by pass clerk, I pass issued. Page for new application will be open. Details of employee and a list of members will be shown to the employee. Fill the traveling details and select the family members to be included in pass. Application pass for the name is shown Ashok Kumar Nimesh. Just put the outward journey details, break journey details, or in case of full set pass, inward journey details, add the family members and save as draft. If any attendant is traveling, or there is an option for upgrade pass. According to pay level, Pass uses upgrade pass option shall be displayed on screen. Click on Save as Draft to save details and on Submit to forward the application to Pass Clerk for further approval. On submitting pass application, a SMS is sent to employee's registered mobile number having information about pass application and its PIA, that is pass issuing admin. A SMS is sent to PIA having details of pass application of the employee to check birth entitlement. Check birth seat entitlement shown beside the application. Information of birth entitlement will be as below. AEM, all eligible members included the pass, self, family members, dependent relatives as defined under Rule 2C and D, subject to other conditions stipulated in the extant railway service pass rules. In this way, all the entitlements are shown. Application for split passes. Log into HRMS application. My issued passes menu. List of all issued passes will be shown. And this the green box is showing over here. This box is for apply for split pass. Click on apply button beside the pass number against which split pass needs to be applied. There is an unique pass number from station to station. Upload approval document. Whether you are applying for the split pass, you need the approval document and upload it. Justification for application of split passes. You have to upload evidence to the satisfaction of the pass issuing authority about your inability to accompany your family dependent relatives for issue of split pass, containing approval and the recommendation of the competent authority. Select from two stations of travel and upload the necessary documents. Also enter the reason for applying split passes. Click on apply button. To view the status of your request, click on the applied and details application will be solved. Status of split pass application. Pass cancellation request. Click on cancel against the UPN. Click on the cancel against the UPN which needs to be cancelled. Enter reason for cancellation. Upload the approval document of the competent authority and click on submit button. The request will forward to the pass clerk for further action. Application for cancellation of pass. Upload the approval document. Reason for cancellation has to be entered and then submit. To view the status of your request, click on the applied against the pass for which cancellation request was submitted. A pop-up will appear with the request details. And my issued passes. Click on generate OTP against the pass for which ticket needs to be booked. Click on send OTP and OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. For pass clerk, log in to HRMS application, employee on digital pass. Okay. Employee on digital pass. Employee's basic details. Manual pass entry. Log in to HRMS application. Go to pass, manual pass entry. Enter HRMS ID of the employee and click on go button. Enter the count of full set and half set pass for the employee. If passes were surrendered by LTC, then check the checkbox against the each year. Enter the count of the passes deducted as penalty and click on the submit button. On submitting SMS sent to the employee about its manual data entered in the system, acceptance of family declaration. This is the most important. Acceptance of family declaration and manual passing. Click on the pass, accept pass family, enter HRMS ID of the employee and go button. Details family members declared by the employee will be shown. So this has to be done from the employee side. And this is the accept of pass application. List of available entitled pass sets of the employee will be shown. Accept split pass application. Accept pass cancellation request. Enter remarks, click on accept button, forward request to the pass issuing authority. This is the pass issuing authority issue pass. Pass is being issued from this issue pass. Application will be shown. Issue of split pass. Split pass application is there. You may issue the split pass. Pass cancellation request. You have to accept the pass cancellation request. And in this way, you need to generate pass. Okay, I'm going through this letter issued to the General Manager of Indian Railway as per standard mailing list, implementation of various modules of HRMS. By this letter dated 16 to 2021, field units were given the option to operate various modules as per manual practice, also till 31st 3 2021, keeping HRMS as the preferred option. It has been decided by the competent authority that the procedure advised by Board Letter number 16 to 2021 will continue up to 30th 4/21. However, please kindly note this point. However, it is again clarified that HRMS will remain the preferred option and manual method may be restored to only in case where it is unavoidable. So only on the basis of the unavoidable circumstances, the manual data may be issued. So as far as possible, try to go and log in on the HRMS platform and issue all the passes and all the modules like HRMS on settlement, pass, loan, etc. Thank you.